Hello and welcome back. So I have a little bit of a different setup today and I want to see how it works out. But we are going to be planning actually in my catch-all planner for the week of Valentine's Day. I do have a couple of things here and there and everywhere. I have this kit from Avalon and Ninth. This is the April 2022 mystery kit, and they did have 2 kits within this subscription, so I do have another one that I can use at a later date. But I thought this was a cute like Valentine's Day kit with the, you know, the paints and the writing chair and stuff. So I do have page 1, a second page that I'll use a couple things from, this functional page, and then I do have some washi strips, bullet points, date covers, and some full boxes. I do have my handy dandy scripts here from Black Mountain Plans. I have the week scripts here from Planner Kate. I have my date dots from Avalon and Ninth, and I have my sidebar elements from Tipsy Dog, which I am missing one of them. Let's see, y'all. Oh. And I have a fresh sheet. So, sorry, the camera might be shaking a little bit more. I'm on my desk instead of my dining room table, and if you hear anything in the background, my daughter is awake and I do have my dryer going. So let us dive right on into it. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm gonna put perfect. I'm doing okay. Been busy. What did I end on? The 9th. Okay. So I've been trying definitely to get a bunch of stuff done and filmed. One of my goals this year was to try to stay ahead of filming and get as much as I possibly could filmed, just in case something happens and I can't film for like a week or 2 or something like that, or if I go on vacation. That's just what I am trying to do. So got that down. Perfect. So I'm done with those. So what is happening Valentine's week? Not much actually. My husband's gonna be gone for, well, not even gone. He's gonna still be in the state. He's just not gonna be at home. Because it's like a couple hours away, and he would spend most of his time driving, and that just wouldn't be fun for him. Come on, there we go. Alright. That one did not want to line up perfectly. There we go. And one of my best friends is coming into town for the weekend, so I'm super excited about that. I haven't seen her since I went down to my mom's last, which was a couple months ago. So she's gonna come up and hang out with us for a couple days. Trying to get my sidebar all done here, and then I'll be done with that page. I did not put these on very straight, but that's okay. So now for my sidebar, I have household, my daughter, I use my name, but it's for my husband and I have been keeping track of dinners, which I do on Sunday. So nothing will be filled in here. And I keep putting down health, thinking I am gonna get back into the gym, and I still haven't. So I need to get my butt in gear because I really want to go to the gym. All right, now I have a couple things I do on Monday. Monday is always trash day. I do have my Black Mountain Plan scripts here. I do PR for Black Mountain Plan, so you can use Amy B 20 to get 20% off your order. And I'm done with this one for now. I need to order some more scripts because I'm running low on a couple of them. And then I normally, what's the haul? I change the wax in my wax melters. On Monday. Wednesday, I need to prep the spare room ready. So it's nice and made up for my friend when she gets here. Then Saturday we do laundry. We change our sheets those 2 days. And wham bam, thank you ma'am, household is done. On Friday, so on actual Valentine's Day, my friend is gonna babysit Ophelia, so that's the only thing I need to mark down there. I need this guy here. I'm gonna do a fancy label. Here. And then I'm gonna do this guy here, because my husband will be home this evening. Alright, and then we'll do date night. So, be home here. And I do need to put down one other thing. Day off. My husband has the day off here. We are going out to dinner here, and my friend will be in town here, and then we'll do fortunately she has to leave on Sunday, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put down a couple fall boxes because I can and I want to. I love this green. And the fountain pens are so pretty. And oh, I don't like that. I can put a small box down here at the bottom, so I can put a box there. But that is how the week of Valentine's Day is going to look in my catch-all planner, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.